right, hey, what's going on? This is Dan Keller, mortgage advisor and branch manager at Guild Mortgage. Hey friends, I am back with another episode of Making Sense of the Markets. Today is Saturday, November 17th, 2018, and today's message is centered around financial literacy. You know, we are coming out of a massive, an unprecedented seller's market over the last 3 or 4 years, and what it's doing right now in the local markets here in Seattle, it's breeding a lot of fear, it's breeding a lot of confusion, and having spent the better part of last week down in Arizona with my mentor, and a lot of our discussions were centered around bringing clarity to the marketplace, bringing clarity, financial clarity to our real estate professionals that we work with and our clients that we sit down with on a daily basis. So what I wanted to do today is share with you, if you're a client of mine, this is probably something that you've learned from me in working with me. But if you're not, and you haven't worked with me before, or you don't know who I am, my name is Dan Keller. I am a branch manager and mortgage advisor over here at Guild Mortgage. A big part of my business is helping my clients understand the power of budgeting, the power of making sound financial decisions over time that will lead to creating wealth and a very sound, secure retirement. And right now, a lot of questions that I'm getting asked is, Dan, is it a good time to buy right now? Dan, I don't know if I want to buy right now. Rates are going up. It looks like the market's coming down. And my response is twofold. One, yes, the market is normalizing. It's transitioning out of a massive 30 to 50% appreciation over the last 2 to 3 years. It's coming down and normalizing. We're coming into a balanced market, which is good. And so once I explain that and help my clients better understand that, I then talk about the true value in any market, the true value of homeownership. There's 2 ways to make money in this world. One is through real estate, the other is through the stock market. Real estate is the best, and this is what I do for a living, and I want to show you how. So the example that I want to share with you right now, and I think it's profound. If you're a real estate professional watching this, I want you to stay with me and share this information with your clients. If you are renting a house right now, I spent last week talking to over 42 renters, and about 8 out of 10 of each of the people that I talked to, each of the groups that I talked to, want to buy a house, but they just don't know if it's a good time, they don't know if they should wait, and they don't know how. So I'm going to share with you some information around that right now. So I'm going to use a $400,000 purchase with an FHA loan. 3.5% down plus closing costs, that's $14,000 plus $7,000 in closing costs is a $21,000 initial investment. Now, over the last 30 years here in Washington State, the average appreciation rate over the last 30 years has been approximately 9%. I'm going to cut that in half. I'm going to be super conservative in this report, and I'm going to assume that over the next 5 years, homes only go up 4%. So if a $400,000 purchase goes up 4% a year over the next 5 years, that house will be worth $480,000. What I want you to see here is very, very important. You'll make your monthly payment every single month. Your monthly payment is going to be $2,696. At the end of 5 years, you'll not owe $392, you'll owe $360. So one of the benefits of buying a house is that with a 30-year fixed rate loan, you pay down your mortgage every single month. Look at that. That is a delta. $360, house is worth $480, a delta of over $120,000. The other great thing about home ownership is the IRS. The IRS gives you tax refunds at the end of the year for property taxes and mortgage insurance. In this particular case, that's equivalent to $483 a month. That's $5,800 a year. That's $29,000 over a 5-year period. So does it make sense to buy a house right now in a down market? Absolutely. If you have any questions around this, please reach out to me. I'd love to be a resource. If you found this valuable, do me a favor, hit the share button. I'd appreciate it, okay? Bye for now.